If you have an Instagram account, you've inevitably seen all of the ads. And essentially, that's how Meta/Instagram makes all of their money. On average, they make $78 per user in the United States per year. And that's all by tracking you and showing you ads. However, you can go through and turn off all of the tracking that Instagram does on you on your device, whether it's an iPhone, Android, or computer. So let me show you exactly how to do that. Let's first just open up the Settings app on your iPhone, Android, or computer and make sure we're limiting how much access Instagram has to our phone. So scroll down from here and tap on Privacy and Security, and then scroll down again and tap on, towards the bottom, App Privacy Report. You'll be able to see, if you scroll down here on Instagram, essentially it says domains contacted directly by the Instagram app. And you'll be able to see these are all July 23rd, 2026. So this is all today. 21 times it contacted this domain, 18 times, 16, 13 times, all just today. Let's limit their ability to contact other domains and share your data. So let's do that by tapping the back arrow till we get back to the beginning of your settings. Tap on search, and the easiest way to do this is just search for Instagram and tap on the Instagram app. Now on here, you'll see a long list of everything that has access, or Instagram has access to rather. You can see contacts, photos, your microphone, camera, Apple Intelligence, live activities, etc. Now on a lot of these, you might want to toggle them off. If you don't want it to have access to your contacts, you can switch this to none. And the same thing, if you don't upload photos, you can switch that to none, as well as the microphone, camera, etc. Just go through here, and I would recommend turning off as much as possible unless you regularly use that on an everyday basis. Now, after we've done that, after we've limited Instagram's ability to use things on your phone, let's hop out of here and open up the Instagram app itself. Let's change some things in the settings to make sure they're not tracking you. So tap on the profile at the bottom right, and then tap on the three lines at the top right. After you've done that, just choose the Accounts Center at the top. And we're going to go through two sections, your information and permissions and your ad preferences. So first tap on your information and permissions. And from here, let's tap on activity from other businesses. This will open up a web page, and it says, choose if we use your activity sent from other businesses or organizations to show you relevant content, aka relevant ads on Instagram. Switch this to don't allow us to do that and hit confirm. And now we will go back into the Instagram app and tap on App Connections next. And if you have any connections to third-party services that you're not using, they'll be able to access and see all of your Instagram information. So I would recommend disconnecting those if you're not using them. If you tap the backup button, we're also going to do the same thing for external accounts. If you have anything connected, just disconnect it. Now, the next thing let's do is review all of the ad information, both on Instagram as well as off of Instagram. So tap the back arrow, back again, and tap on Ad Preferences midway down. After you've done that, let's tap on Manage Info at the top right. And the first thing we're going to do is go to categories used to reach you, information you share on your profile, or other categories used to reach you, aka serve you ads. And it'll show you all of the categories that they use to serve you ads. I would recommend going through this list and just keep on hitting the remove button until you've removed everything from this list. Now, after you've done that, that's not the only thing I would recommend. Tap the back arrow, and we're going to tap on activity from other businesses. Again, this will open up a web page, and make sure to set this to don't allow that activity. After you've done that, let's go back to Instagram. Tap on audience-based advertising. You can see on here, it'll show you all of the companies that are advertising to you because they uploaded a list with your name on there. So if you don't want to be advertised, again, I don't know why I'm on a narcolepsy advertising, I don't have narcolepsy. You can tap on, they uploaded a list to reach you. Again, I don't know why I'm on their list, but I'm going to hit don't allow because, again, I don't have narcolepsy. If I did, maybe I would want advertising around that. But again, you can always go through any of these and turn all of these off. Now, the next thing we're going to do is tap the back arrow. And then we're going to scroll down again. You'll be able to see ads in other apps. Choose whether you see ads from the Meta Audience Network in other apps. So this is Meta sharing or selling rather the advertising data from your account to other apps so that they can serve you ads. I would recommend switching this to don't allow us to show ads in other apps. And then tap on ads about Meta. Again, switch this to don't use my activity. Don't use my activity on Meta technologies to show me ads about the Meta on other platforms. So tap the back arrow after you've done that. For whatever reason, this didn't go through. You got to hit confirm here. And last, we'll go to social interactions. It says, we may include your social interactions alongside ads that your friends see, aka telling your friends, hey, you like this certain ad. I would recommend tapping on your Instagram account and switching this to only me in both your Instagram accounts if you have multiple different ones. Now, you've gone through and you've limited their ability to track you within Instagram. I know you're busy, so thanks for taking a little bit of your day to walk through this with me. I hope this helped to protect your privacy here on Instagram. And I'll catch you on the next one.